Ron Pinhasi. I'm a lecturer in prehistoric archaeology at the University College Cork and lead author on a paper in PLOS ONE about the Areni 1 shoe. The shoe was found in southern Armenia, which is at the border between Turkey, eastern Turkey next to Mount Ararat, and Iran, nowadays Iran. And it was since prehistory a crossroad for trade and the like. It's a more arid region of Armenia, which in a sense is at the eastern end of the Middle East. The shoe was found in a large cave, Areni 1 cave, which has several chambers. And the front of the cave, which has a terrace, it's the largest part, has various dwellings. And some of them we excavated different layers, and one of the dwellings was a pit, and the shoe was found inside the bottom of the pit. The shoe is a one-piece cowhide shoe. It's made out of one piece of leather, and it's been cut to the correct size and been stitched together by a professional, and stitched at the front with leather laces, and also there's leather lacing at the back of the shoe. We found out the size, and it's European size 37, and therefore we compared it to a modern Turkish sample, because this is the only sample we could find in literature, and that would fit right into a female size and sort of out of range for the males. It's too small for a male. However, we have no idea in prehistory about the exact size of people's feet. And therefore it could have been a male, it could also have been an adolescent. And it was a processed leather, tanned leather, that was then cut according to a specific pattern and then stitched together by leather lace. So in order to see exactly how a replica is made, we're now going to Princess Street in Cork to a cobbler and see how we can make one of the shoes. First we thought it was used to pad it, but then at the same time the straw looked quite fresh. Yeah. Like in terms of the stalks were in different directions, it didn't look all packed. So we were wondering whether the straw was used to keep the shape maybe, or keep it warm. The interesting thing is that the only equivalent we have from the Alps, the Iceman shoe, is totally different.
Here the shoe was elevated.
Yeah, but it was more like kind of like he had something like a moccasins at the bottom. The top, it was like a moccasin, and then the top of the top part of the shoe, instead of having the vamp like this one, it had some kind of weaved pattern. No, it was a weaved made from some kind of plants. So it was like a basket-like. The cave is special in Armenia in particular because it's a crossroad between Africa, Asia and Europe. It always has been a corridor for human migrations. Some people at the same time see it as a cul-de-sac in some periods. And what is interesting is the fact that it played a central role in human evolution, but also in later periods it's at the edge of the Middle East. And therefore the location now of the cave at the border between Turkey and Armenia and Iran is representing the fact that more than likely in the Chalcolithic period, it was already a major crossroad, a major station perhaps, a trading post, or perhaps a place of strategic importance and the routes between different civilizations. All of Armenia is very rich in archaeology for any period from prehistory to early Christianity and the like. At the same time, Armenia is not really excavated as much as other regions, and therefore there's a lot of unknown and mysterious elements to it. And we, in a sense, were the first to discover this kind of find in Armenia. Only when we came in and we started the test excavation, we were astonished what was just about a meter under the surface.